watch these. Man, I'm 615. Man, I'm 615. Man, I'm 615.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a really quick video, a simple unboxing. Some of y'all know, some of y'all don't know. My apartment flooded a couple years ago, like 2 years ago I think, Christmas Eve. Lost my sewing machine, never got around to getting another one because I do a lot of other stuff, just hadn't got to it. Somebody was supposed to gift me one, never got it. So I was able to go ahead and get one. Got it from Walmart for $2.29. So yeah, let's get this thing unboxed. But before, here's my old machine. It no longer backstitch. Can't change the stitches. You could turn the knob to different settings, but it doesn't change. Still the same stitch every single time. So this is the one that I got. It's sideways in the chair, so excuse me. It's the Brother SQ9285. So let's get this thing unboxed and get it set up. Alright, I moved the other machine out of the way. I need to wipe the table off, which I will come back and do. But for now, I'm just trying to get this done real quick. I got chicken wings in the air fryer. So I'm trying to see if I can do all this before those are done. Like I said, this is the Brother SQ9285 computerized sewing and quilting machine. I do not quilt, but it was a good deal. Had a lot of great features. So this that flap. Alright, so first on top, accessories, foot brush, another thread holder, just little necessary stuff. And then we have the foot pedal and power cord and the book. And if you're like me, you're not even going to open it until you get stuck somewhere. Otherwise, just try to figure it out. And this is the extension table. I guess that's what it's called. Extension table, quilting table, something. I think that's what this is. I don't know. Let's find out. We're going to find out together. How about that? Yep. Yep. Extension table. It's got a little ruler on there. It's got feet that fold down. 1, 2, 3 feet. Next, it's just a space holder. Keep stuff stable so it won't jiggle around. Okay, let me pull this boy out and I'll be right back. the Brother SQ9285. Got it out the box. Now, as with all new things, got a bunch of tape everywhere. So, let's get that off. Almost flipped it over. Did y'all see that? It's so ghetto. Come on. Stuff. Now, I hope y'all day going good. Mine is going great. It's like 11:30 on a Tuesday. Yesterday was Labor Day. Whoops. Y'all see that? We didn't do anything for Labor Day. Well, can't get it back in. We just kind of laid back and chilled. Addie was at home. She went to her mom's house, to my son's house, because Saturday was her birthday, the 31st, August 31st. She turned 7. She's so excited, because in her mind, 7 makes her a whole big girl. So, So does it go? Okay. Voila. Oh, it's a little thing, a storage thing with the pouch. Let's see what's in the pouch. Oh, bobbin. Zipper foot, I think, or a button thing, whatever. Needles. It's a double needle. Single needles. I use these, I use Oregon needles for my embroidery machine already. Here's a foot. Here's the foot. Here's a tool thing for something. I don't know. It's not a screwdriver. Another bobbin. Those are empty bobbins. One more bobbin. I assume this goes on a foot. I don't know. I don't know about sewing machines. I don't know how to sew other than a straight line, right? So this is a new thing for me. It's another foot. And another one. Don't even know what they're called. So don't ask. I'm going to learn. When I figure it out, I'll let you know. And another foot, I guess. Yeah, so all of that stuff was in the little storage pouch. I mean, in the pouch in this little storage part. So let's get that put up so I can tell you more about the machine. And I'm just reading from the box because it ain't like I know. I don't know. Like I said, I just got it. I didn't just get it, but I'm just not setting it up. Hadn't had time to play with it because you literally watched me take it out of the box. Right? So, the box says, upper tension control down, variable speed control, needle position button, start and stop button, free arm for sewing and crafts, large backlit LCD display with simple push button stitch selection, super easy bobbin winding system, 205 built-in stitches including 8 styles of one-step auto-size buttonhole and 55 alphanumeric stitches. Okay, numbers. And super bright LED work area. Advanced easy needle threading system. Jam resistant quick set drop in top bobbin, which is right here. Oh, It's got a bobbin in it already. How do you open it? Push the button. Push the button. Do you push the button? Yep. Slide it back just like on my embroidery machine and my other sewing machine. It's got a full bobbin already in it, which is cool. It's got a foot already on it. Still got the thread cutter right here for when you thread, same as with the other ones. Like I said, I don't know about sewing machines, so I don't know what's standard and what's not. I guess I'm gonna have to figure it out. That's wrong. I guess I'm gonna have to figure it out. I don't know. We'll see. I do know that much. I ain't that, clueless on it. Yeah. Let's put that back on there. If I can put it on the right way. So, I like it. It's, looks pretty cool. Like, I don't have aspirations to sew, like, big outfits and big elaborate things and stuff like that. I just want to do simple stuff. Stuff for my doggies, Chloe and Loki. Stuff for the kiddos. Stuff for whomever. But I don't even know, so don't even ask. I'll figure it out. Whenever I decide to open the book, I guess I'm going to learn what that is. Which seems to be sooner rather than later. I don't know. Anyway, I just wanted to unbox it. I'm not finna sew nothing right now because, like I said, I got chicken wings in the air fryer. So, I'm about to get back to that. And I'm going to see y'all on the next one. Deuces. Apple juices.